We are falling behind here, people. Men are so weak these days. A bunch of...
Sorry, man. Not tonight.
Okay.
I'm a little busy and something came up.
Yeah. Wash those dishes then.
Now, I don't see colors, so you can't say I'm racist. But look at the statistics, people. The numbers don't lie.
Hey, who were those guys?
Some buddies.
Buddies. Yo, what's been going on with you lately, Theo?
What do you mean?
Protect the land bullshit? Is this why you serve?
At least I'm doing something.
Congratulations, brother.
Thank you. It's an absolute pleasure. I'm so excited to meet the man behind the voice.
There he is. David Ochoa.
Oh. I'm so sorry, sir. I wasn't expecting you.
To be what? So dark?
No, of course not.
I embrace my lighter half. Do you?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, I do.
Come on in. I found a snake slithering around our garden. How unfortunate. To the Brotherhood.
To the Brotherhood!
Time to be a man. That is disappointing. Boys, handle it.
It's a good thing you wore red.